Hello there, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about few basics of linear programming problems. What are the steps for graphical method to solve a linear programming problem? And one of the five possible solution, which is definite and unique optimum solution with an example. A optimization problem always have an objective function of either maximization or minimization. It may have some constants of type less than and equals to and greater than and equals to. Variables may have upper and lower limits. A generalized linear optimization problem in matrix form is visible on the screen. Here x is the set of variables, c is the vector of variable coefficients from objective function, a and aeq are metrics obtained from coefficients of inequality and equality constants respectively. B and beq are constant terms in these constants. LB and UB are vector of lower and upper bounds on the variables. VP can be solved using graphical or simplex method. Small problems with two variables can be solved using graphical method, and simplex method can be used for more number of variables. The possible number of solution of a LPP are following. First is definite and unique optimum solution. Second is infinite number of optimum solutions. Third is unbounded solution. Fourth is no solution at all. And fifth is single solution. In this video, we will learn about definite and unique optimum solution with an example. The steps to solve LPP using graphical method are following. First is to consider each constant as an equation and graph them. Second is to find feasible region for these constants. Third is find common feasible region. Fourth is find extreme points on common feasible region. Fifth is to calculate the objective function value at these extreme points, and finally conclude the results. Now we will learn about definite and unique optimal solution. Let's consider a small example. The objective function is to maximize the value of z, which is equals to 4x plus 5y. The subject to two constants, first is 2x plus y less than equals to 9 and second is x plus y less than equals to 7. Both variables are positive, so x and y are greater than equals to 0. Let's go step by step. Step 1 is to consider each constant as an equation and graph them. First constant is 2x plus y less than equals to 9, and if we consider it as an equation, it will be 2x plus y equals to 9. To draw this equation, we will need 2 points. The points can be obtained by putting any value of one variable in the equation and obtaining the other variable. Let's put x equals to 0 in this equation. We will obtain the value of y equals to 9. So the first point is 0, 9. Now put y equals to 0 and we will obtain the value of x equals to 4.5. So the second point will be 4.5, 0. We can draw a line connecting these 2 points. Now second equation is x plus y equals to 7. We can draw this equation similarly. Put x equals to 0 and we will get y equals to 7. So the first point will be 0, 7. Put y equals to 0 and we will get x equals to 7. So second point will be 7, 0. And we can draw a line connecting these 2 points. Now step 2 is to find feasible region for each constant. First constant is 2x plus y less than equals to 9. To obtain the feasible region for this constant, we have to consider a point on one side of the line representing equation of this constant. Let's assume the point is 0, 0. Put x equals to 0 and y equals to 0 of this point in the constant. We obtain 0 plus 0 less than equals to 9. So it satisfies the constant, and the feasible region for this constant will be the region from the line towards the point 0, 0. Both the variables should also be positive, so the feasible region is restricted to x and y axis only and shown in the red color. The second constant is x plus y less than equals to 7. We will obtain the feasible region for this constant similarly as first constant. Consider the point 0, 0. Put x equals to 0, y equals to 0 in the second constant. We obtain 0 plus 0 less than equals to 7 and it satisfies the constant. So the feasible region for this constraint will be region from the line towards the point 0, 0 and it is shown in blue color. Now you can see the feasible region of both the constants. Step 3 is to find common feasible region. It will be the region where both constants are satisfied. Common region of both the constants is shown on the screen. Now step 4 is to find extreme points of common feasible region. As you can see, there are 4 extreme points on the region. Point A is 0, 0, point B is 4.5, 0, point C is 2, 5, and point D is 0, 7. The point C is the intersection of both the lines. It can be obtained by solving equations of both the constants. Step 5 is to calculate the objective function value at these extreme points. The objective function is z equals to 4x plus 5y, and the value of z at the point A is 0, at point B it is 18, at point C it is 33, at point D it is 35. Now the step 6 is to conclude the results. As the objective was to maximize the value of z, z has maximum value at point D, so we obtain a unique and definite optimal solution at point D. The optimal value of variables are x equals to 0 and y equals to 7, with optimal objective function value of z equals to 35. That's all. Like if you learned the solution of LPP using graphical method, comment about the other mathematical problems which you want to learn. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Share this video with your friends. Thank you.